Here's a quick tutorial on how to navigate the Webull to purchase stocks and to submit your option plays. Let's get started. As you come up here, put your mouse pointer over trading and investing. There are several new features to Webull. You can trade stocks. You can now invest in crypto. You have a desktop app here, paper trading, ETFs, options, futures, etc. So we're going to sign in. It's going to bring you to your home screen, to your account. If you see this here for security, you just click verify. You're going to enter your code or your password. It's going to bring you to your screen. Here you're going to see all your information about your account. To the left, you're going to see several options here for direct deposit, 401k, any linked accounts, transaction history, transfer history, etc. and settings. Now, to do your trade, you can either come up here to trade and invest in, or just click on trade right here in your account window. This is for the terms and conditions. You can read this, sign and accept, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to bypass that, so not now. So here, as you see your watch list. If you have any positions, you will click on my positions. It will show you all your positions. To the right, you will see your stock and all the information for your stock and your options to start trading your options. So here at the top, you have your symbol / name. This is where you're going to enter your stock ticker symbol. So we're going to click here and we're going to use SPY. Everyone knows SPY, so we're going to type in SPY, SPY. As you can see, the moment I start typing in any letters, it starts to populate stocks. So we're going to check off the one that is for SPY. As you can see here, SPY, S&P 500. It is shaded in blue. You see the star here to your right. That is to add to watch list, which is equivalent to adding to your favorites. So we're going to click on SPY, and all the information for that stock is going to load up. So you're going to see your chart. Here you can switch between minutes, hours, days. Here at the bottom is your options. And you have several categories here. You can click on news, see what's going on in the market. Of course, your options. This will be your options chain, bonds, performance. You can check for the 1 month, 6 months, year, analysis of that stock. You can scroll down, see more information, and also the profile of said stock. Scroll down, you have more information there. Okay. Now on your right here, we have selected SPY. So this is the information you're going to see about SPY. Over here to your left, you have your watch list. This is all your stocks that you added to your watch list. Or you can come here and switch and go to my positions, and it'll show you what position that you have as active. On this tab is recent. This is just the recent stocks that you search for. It will show here. Okay, so we're on SPY. SPY is highlighted. That's what's showing here. So on the right here, if you move your mouse pointer here, you'll see a long shaded bar. This will allow you to navigate and scroll up and down all the information you need for this stock. So you don't have to move off this page. Everything is right here. Okay, so from here, you're going to go to options, click on options. And this is your sliding bar here. So as you can see your options chain. You have green for calls, the price is going up. Red for puts, the price is going down. So we're going to select 660. That is the current price. As you can see, we'll scroll here to find 660, which is here. And for 660, the price for this option will be $13. So you're going to pick anywhere from $85 to $100. So here, just for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to pick 13. If you move the decimal point over to the right twice, that's $13. So we're going to click on that. As you can see, it loads up here to your right in the classic trade view. Okay, so we're going to buy this call. We're submitting a buy or call. So we're going to click on buy. That's going to highlight it green, letting us know that we're going to submit this buy or call. Price is going up. So here, okay, you will find this, move the pointer to the shaded bar. You will scroll down. So we pick SPY at 660. It will have today's date, the call, and 100 for 100 shares. Okay. Now for the order type, it will be limit because that is the price that you want to purchase this option for. If you put it on market, you will be accepting the price that the market gives you. So we always keep it on limit because this is the price that we want to purchase it for. Under contracts, you can put as many contracts that your buying power would allow, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to put one contract. One contract is equal to 100 shares. So the limit price, again, is 0.13, which is $13. Time in force is day. We are day traders. We are intraday traders. We only trade between the hours of 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So if you scroll down further, it shows you your max loss, the last price, break-even price, and your maximum profit. Now here, you will have to unlock to place order. So you will click unlock. You will enter your passcode. Okay. And once your order is placed, you will see your order down here. So we're going to scroll down some more. So the premium that was paid was $13.05. There was a transaction fee of 5 cents, so that's why you're paying $13.05. So your position will show here. If you see this icon here to unlock it, you would just click unlock. You will enter your code and your position will display here. Here you will see your position. You'll see your money going up and down as the chart moves. Once you're ready to get out of the play, you will click sell and you will be out of the play. If you click here on your orders, same thing. You will click unlock. It will show your order into your code and it will show your orders here. Okay, you will scroll down and of course you will see your order confirmation. So let's click unlock. Okay, well, we didn't put the order yet, but it will show, your order will show here. So you can scroll down. Okay, and of course you will see the order here. Your order book is here. Now if we come here to the left, we'll go to the 9 dots here for more and click on there. This will give you the option to select for paper trading. So you will scroll down, you will click on paper trade. You are now in the paper trading. You will see an alert that comes down once you hit paper trading that will tell you your live account is locked. You are now in paper trading. Also, to confirm that you're in paper trading, you will come up here and you will see stocks and options paper trading. So here you will enter your ticker symbol for the stock. We are doing SPY, so it shows you tick by tick, the price, the volume, the analysis. Okay, for the option, same here. You will enter your ticker symbol, hit enter, and it will display the information for that stock. Okay, so again, you will either buy, green for calls, the price is going up. You want to sell, red for puts, price is going down. Okay, order type again, it's always going to be limit for the price that you want. Quantity will be the amount of contracts you want. Cost the price. If it's limit, that's the price that you want. You can always edit it. Time in force is always day. We are intraday traders. Remember, we only trade between the hours of 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Trading hours, only regular hours. Then you will hit the simulated buy SPY. It would appear here. As you can see, it's working. You have the option to modify or cancel as long as it's under working. You also can see if it's filled, if it was canceled, if the order that you submitted failed, or you can click all and you can view all your transactions. Okay. Now here, you can see here it gives you, still let you know that this is a paper trading, not real money. So here you will see the estimated amount, you will see your buying power, and the maximum shares you are able to buy. Once you are ready to get out of this paper trade, all you have to do is click cancel and you will be out of that paper trade. When you're in the paper trade, of course, you will see your position here. Also here on the side under your paper account details, again, it will show you the net amount, your overall profit loss, the market value, your buying power, and that day's profit and loss. Okay, up here you have other options here. Here you can draw your trend lines. You have your indicators, which is your VWAP and EMA. You have combo strategies. You can also change how you want to view your chart. You can view it lines, areas. You can use the candles, etc. Right here is your settings button. Here you can click and you can make any adjustments to your liking. Okay, and that ends this tutorial, and I hope this helps.